bestonlinemerch.com. The moment I stepped onto the High Line, I felt as if I had been transported to a different world, a serene escape nestled high above the bustling streets of New York City. It's remarkable how this elevated park, once an abandoned railway, has transformed into a vibrant urban oasis, a green ribbon weaving through the heart of the concrete jungle. The air was alive with the sounds of the city below, yet up here, it felt like a secret garden, a hidden gem, where nature and art collide. As I strolled along the wooden planks, I couldn't help but marvel at the juxtaposition of the lush greenery against the backdrop of steel and glass skyscrapers. It was as if the city had decided to embrace nature, allowing it to flourish amidst the chaos. I could see people from all walks of life, tourists snapping photos, locals jogging with their headphones in, couples lounging on benches, soaking in the sun. Each step I took felt like a reminder that even in a city that never sleeps, there are pockets of tranquility waiting to be discovered. I paused to take in the wildflowers blooming along the pathway, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the gray surroundings. It made me think about how essential it is to carry a little piece of nature with us, especially when we travel. I always pack a small travel journal, a place where I can jot down my thoughts, sketch the beauty I encounter, or simply document the moments that take my breath away. It's a reminder to slow down, to appreciate the little things, like the way the sunlight filters through the leaves, or the laughter of children playing nearby. As I continued my walk, I noticed the art installations scattered throughout the park. Each piece told a story, inviting me to pause and reflect. There was one sculpture that caught my eye, a towering structure made of recycled materials, a testament to creativity and sustainability. It reminded me of the importance of being mindful of our impact on the environment, especially when we travel. I always make it a point to carry a reusable water bottle and a set of eco-friendly utensils. It's a small effort, but it feels good to know I'm doing my part to reduce waste, even while exploring the world. The High Line is not just a park, it's a celebration of community. I watched as friends gathered for picnics, sharing laughter and stories, while others participated in yoga classes, finding their zen amidst the urban chaos. It made me think about the travel essentials I always bring along. My favorite lightweight blanket for impromptu picnics, a portable speaker to set the mood, and a good book to dive into when I need a moment of solitude. These items become my companions, enhancing my experiences and allowing me to connect with the places I visit on a deeper level. As I reached the end of the High Line, I felt a sense of gratitude wash over me. This urban oasis had provided me with a much-needed respite, a reminder that even in the busiest of cities, there is beauty to be found. I took a moment to breathe in the fresh air, feeling the gentle breeze on my skin, and I realized that travel is not just about the destinations we visit, but the moments we create along the way. Walking back down to the streets below, I carried with me the essence of the High Line, a blend of nature, art, and community. It inspired me to seek out more urban oases in my travels, to find those hidden pockets of peace that remind us of the world's beauty. And as I stepped back into the rhythm of the city, I knew that I would always cherish the memories made in this elevated sanctuary, a place where the concrete jungle met the wild heart of nature. Like and subscribe.